Hey tube, it's me again, and I'm here to give you guys a new video. I'm super excited about this video because it is a haul. So yes, as you can see from the title, I did get some things from shopmissa.com, and what they are is like an online accessory boutique slash shop, and everything on the website is $1. Like seriously, $1. Let that sink in for a minute. $1. Okay, like seriously, everything's $1. So they have earrings, necklaces, bracelets, lashes, cosmetics, sunglasses, everything on the website is $1. And I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube of people having hauls from this website, and the stuff looks like really good quality. So I said, why don't I go and get some stuff? And trust me, I had a ball adding things to my cart. When I finished adding everything I really liked, I had like $70 worth of stuff. But I knew I could not spend $70 on a website for the first time, so I did cut it down and spend about $30 on the items that I got. So yeah, it's a super cheap website. Shipping is, I believe, $3. I think it's $2.95 to be exact. It's super cheap. And like you guys know, I do live in Canada, so I do ship items to my uncle's house in Buffalo, and then I go over there to pick them up. So yes, my mom went to Buffalo the other day and picked up some of the packages that were there. So I'm gonna show you guys some of the items that I got. Okay, so just to let you guys know, some of the items aren't gonna be on their packaging because I took them off to try them on and didn't put them back on, so just keep that in mind. Okay, so the first item I'm gonna show you guys are these earrings. These gold chain earrings, and they're very cute, fairly big, as you can see. And I got that in silver. And I also got another pair. I mean, that one is gold, and then I got another pair in silver. And they're also chained. So yeah, I have these two. These are cute. I like those. I usually wear hoops to school, so they're very casual, so yeah. Okay, I also got another pair of gold earrings. I don't have a lot of gold hoops, so I got these small ones here. These are the size small, and then I also have the size medium on my ear. So the ones that I'm wearing are the size medium, and they are gold. I also got these pearl earrings, and they have little rhinestones on them, and they are super cute. They're fairly big pearls, and I just love these so much. Those are super cute. Those are like really nice and like kind of dressy. I really like those ones. Okay, so I also got these cute bow earrings. They're super cute. They're like studs, and they're gold, and they have a little lock on them. You guys can see that lock there, and they have little crystal rhinestones on them. So those are super cute. I also, these are my favorite earrings that I got. I know the owl trend was in like a couple years ago, but I saw these and I fell in love with them. Aren't these not the cutest earrings? Like, oh my gosh, they're like owls, black and white owls, and I love these so much. And they had these in like every single color, like blue, pink, green, yellow. So I got the black and white ones because I felt that they would go along with a lot more outfits. So those are super cute. Those are my favorite. I love those. Okay, I also got some heart earrings, and these are in gold. These are really cute. And I also got a matching set in silver. If I can find the other one. I don't see the other one, so I'll just show you the one heart one I see. It's probably somewhere on my dresser. So those are super cute. I also got these matching leaf earrings, and these are super dressy and very cute. So silver and gold, and they are leaves. So those are definitely cute for fall, since fall is about leaves changing color and all that stuff. So I just thought those were really, really cute. And the last piece of jewelry that I got were these cute little stud hearts that have the word love on top. I don't know if you guys can see that. It might be a little bit dark, but these are super cute. And I also got the matching pair in gold, which are up here because I wore them earlier. This is the matching one. It's also a heart and says the word love. I think you guys can see it a little bit better. And these two. So those are super cute. So those are all the jewelry items that I got. I also got a headband, but I got two headbands. The other one is, I don't know where it is, because I did wear it to school yesterday on Friday. But this is a silver and black headband. So it's like one strap here and then it turns into like two straps. So this is black and silver, and I also have a black and gold one. And these are super cute. I just wear them in my hair to kind of push everything back. So it's very, very cute. I love these headbands. Okay, so now on to, well, I got one, oh wait, there's another piece of jewelry. Okay, no, I found the missing heart. Okay, so I also did get one eyeshadow. So this is, well, this is not my only cosmetic item. Kind of get some lashes, but I did get this wet/dry eyeshadow, which is very pigmented. It's by Clean Color. It's called American Idol. Hope you guys can see this. It's by Clean Color, and this is in the color taupe or top. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it is a nice goldish tan color. I am wearing it on my eyes. I don't know if you guys can really see it that well because of the lighting, but it is a really nice color, shimmery goldish color, and I really, really love that. And that too was $1. Okay, and for the rest of the items that I got, they were lashes. I did get a lot of lashes because I am trying to get back into my lash game. So I went a little bit crazy on the lashes. Okay, so the first pair I have is the SF 415s, and they look like this. And these are really nice. These are the lashes that I'm currently wearing on my eyes. I'm not sure if you guys can really see them. I'll turn to the side so you guys can kind of see them from the side. I don't know if you guys can really see it, but they're really nice and very natural looking. So yeah, these are the 415s. They look long and dramatic, but they're really not when you put them on. I also got the 747s, and these are all Stardust lashes. So I got those. I got the 510s, and these look very natural. These I plan to wear on a daily basis, like to school or something. I got the 80s. Those are really nice. Also very natural looking. I got the 5s, which look a little dramatic. I got two 42s, which are natural but a little dramatic looking. And I got the 113s, which I really like. So yeah, those are the items that I got. I'm really happy with the purchases. They are really good quality, and yeah, I really like them. I plan to go back and buy some more stuff because I mean, jewelry for $1, that is amazing, and the shipping is super, super quick. Like, it took 3 business days to get to my uncle's house. So that means that is just amazing, like really quick shipping. So yes, I will leave a link to the website in the description bar, so please check that out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments, please leave them below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.